guys, now I am showing you incinerator. See, incinerator. So this is incinerator. How to start this one? Put this switch to 1 on this one, then put this switch on 1, and then wait for this temperature to come down to -25. This is combustion chamber temperature. When it will come to -25, we will start to put garbage in this box through this. So this is the chamber. We can put garbage in this box and then have to pull down this handle. So this is the incinerator. So now this guy is putting garbage into the upper box. He is putting garbage one by one. You have to put the garbage into this box. Below this box actual burning is happening. After filling of this box, we have to pull the handle behind this box, and then the garbage will fall into the actual box of burning. Incinerator burns all the garbage until it turns to ash, and ash is not allowed to throw into the sea. It will have to dispose to the shore. Now the box is filled and this guy is pulling the lever down, so all the garbage dropped into the burning chamber. This is the burning chamber. See, this guy is showing the burning chamber. We can look through the glass. Actual burning of the garbage. Flames are coming out.
This is the incinerator.
So after 2 days, these guys are removing ash from the incinerator. They had to wait for 2 days because ash need to be cold, and this ash will store to the deck and they will give it back to the shore. We cannot dump ash into the sea. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like, hit the like button, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.